Occasionally babies do get sick, so it's important to know what to do and who to call. A fever is an increase in your child's body temperature of at least 1 degree above the normal body temperature of 37 degrees. It's part of the body's normal response to fighting infections, and your child's temperature will always return to normal afterwards. So taking your child's temperature is something every parent should know how to do, as well as which thermometers are available for use. If your baby has a fever, some things you can do are offer them regular drinks, do not under or overdress your baby or sponge them with water, and check regularly for rashes and signs of dehydration. Contact your doctor if your child has a fever and is very young, has an earache, has difficulty swallowing, has a rash, is breathing fast, is vomiting, has neck stiffness, has bulging of the fontanelle, is very sleepy or drowsy, or if the fever persists for more than 48 hours. Children may have up to 6 colds every year. Colds, along with most coughs, are often caused by viruses and not bacteria, so antibiotics may not help. Children cough to get rid of the mucus from their chest and throat, so you don't want to stop the cough completely, but you can help ease the distress by soothing it. So give them plenty of rest and fluids. Elevate the head of the cot 30 degrees by putting a couple of towels or books under the legs of the bed. Nasal drops and spray will make it more comfortable to breathe, eat and sleep. And consider giving paracetamol, such as children's Panadol, to ease pain and fever. Children's Panadol is suitable from 1 month of age and can start to reduce fever in just 15 minutes. For more information on fevers, coughs and colds, download the First 5 Years book from childrenspanadol.com.au.